Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. We are continuing with Let's Sketch in Scratch tutorial series, and in this video today we are going to learn how to copy paste parts of the sprite in Scratch. In previous video we have learned how to delete parts of some sprite, and we have used bananas for it. But for example, what happens when you want to have more than one image, same image on the screen? So like for example with this cat, I can go to choose a sprite, click on the cat and add one more, but as you can see here, that's another sprite, another object on my screen. I don't want to do that. I want all of that to be in the same costume. So if I click on the first cat, it has a costume of one cat. If I click on the second cat, it has the costume of one cat, and I don't want to do that. I want all of those cats to be on one costume, on one same image. How to do that? So for example, first of all, I will delete these cat sprites. I don't need them, and I will pick some sprite which is easier to understand. For example, we had bananas, 3 bananas, and deleted to make one of those, and now we will take one apple and make 3 of those. So for example, I need 3 apples on the screen as one image. I will go to costumes, I will select this apple with my drag and release selection square, and then I will click on this copy which is to the left of the delete button. I will click on copy and I will click on paste. It doesn't matter where your cursor is on the screen, just click on the paste, and here it is, new apple. Great, I will put it a little bit to the left and below like here. That's 2, and the third one I can select again one apple, but it's already harder now because I have 2 on the screen, but the Scratch is so smart that he still remembers what I selected last, and that was one apple. So I will just try to click on paste once more, and that's it. We have one more apple on the screen. I will put this one a little bit to the right and below, and as you can see on our stage, it looks great. 3 apples. We had 1 apple, now we have 3. And that's it for this video. Just copy paste whatever you need and play with it, learn it. We will learn some other techniques which will help you to work faster in next videos, but so far you can try and practice to couple of those tools which we have learned so far, like select, copy, paste, delete, and so on. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye for now.